I am a physics teaching major, and my favorite piece of technology that I have learned to use this semester is Logger Pro. Logger Pro is a great tool for taking data and projecting it onto a graph. So here I have created a scenario of an experiment where a student will be measuring position versus time. And so I've gone into Logger Pro and I've clicked right here and I've labeled my y-axis position and I've used meters as the units. And I've gone in and done the same thing for my x-axis and labeled it time. And now I can go in and plug in points that I have previously created, and those data points then show up on the graph here. I can then go into Analyze and click Curve Fit because my graph is a curve, and find the line that best fits my graph. I do that by clicking on one of these functions here and saying Try Fit, then OK. And then here a little box shows up that has your slope and has extra data that you could use to analyze this graph, and Logger Pro is really a great tool. Some of the other graphs that I've made is this marble tracking graph, so the vertical position of a marble versus time. And for this graph right here, I hooked up a dual sensor plate, force plate, in order to measure the force of water dripping out of a cup. So Logger Pro also has the ability to hook up different sensors so you can measure forces, distances, light. So as you can see, Logger Pro is going to be awesome as a physics teacher because students can easily record data, hook up these different sensors to measure forces and lights and motion, and it's going to be a great tool as a physics teacher.